Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about the Japanese trapdoor snail. The Japanese trapdoor snail is a freshwater snail species native to East Asia, particularly Japan and parts of China. It has been introduced to other parts of the world due to its popularity in aquaculture and water gardens. Named after the trapdoor they possess, an operculum that closes their shell when threatened, these snails are a hardy species known for their algae-eating habits, making them a favorite among pond and aquarium enthusiasts. Unlike many snail species, the Japanese trapdoor snail does not reproduce as prolifically. They give birth to live young instead of laying eggs, which makes them easier to manage in aquariums and ponds, as they are less likely to overpopulate. Japanese trapdoor snails are medium-sized, with their shells typically ranging from 1 to 2 inches in length. Their shells have a spiral shape, usually dark brown or greenish in color, often with natural algae growth that helps camouflage them. The operculum acts as a trapdoor that allows them to seal themselves inside their shells, protecting them from predators and harsh environmental conditions. The body of the snail is soft and usually pale, off-white color with dark speckles. In the wild, these snails are found in slow-moving rivers, lakes, and ponds. They prefer environments with plenty of aquatic plants and soft substrates, which provide food and shelter. In captivity, they are often placed in outdoor ponds or large aquariums where they can serve as natural cleaners. Their ability to survive in a range of temperatures, 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, makes them adaptable to many freshwater setups. Japanese trapdoor snails are peaceful, slow-moving creatures that spend most of their time grazing on algae, plant matter, detritus. They are excellent scavengers, helping keep water clear by eating unwanted debris and biofilm. These snails are primarily nocturnal, doing most of their feeding at night, though they may be seen active during the day as well. Their slow reproduction rate and relatively small size make them ideal for aquariums and ponds, as they don't overrun the space like many other snail species. In captivity, Japanese trapdoor snails thrive in freshwater aquariums or ponds with a temperature range of 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. They prefer a pH between 7 and 8 and need clean, well-oxygenated water. Substrates like sand or gravel are best to accommodate their burrowing nature. They make great companions for a wide variety of aquatic life, including goldfish, koi, and other peaceful fish species. They are not aggressive and will not bother plants, making them ideal for planted tanks. However, be mindful of keeping them with species that might prey on snails, such as some larger fish or aggressive invertebrates. Japanese trapdoor snails are commonly used as algae eaters in ponds and aquariums. They help maintain a clean environment by consuming algae and other waste, reducing the need for frequent tank or pond cleaning. They are also beneficial for garden ponds, where they help prevent the buildup of algae and detritus. That wraps up our look at the hardworking Japanese trapdoor snail. Be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating aquatic life and their care.